2019, in the pursuit of furthering my studies in the machine steno, I looked for various resources that will help me being an efficient machine stenographer. And in the same year, I accidentally came across a Facebook page, the PhilSteno or the PhilSteno page, offering NCRA A to Z Philippines. It is a 6 weeks training where you will be trained the basics of machine shorthand. And after 6 weeks, I completed the training and I got shortlisted for the PS4 or the PhilSteno Scholars 4 as an ambassador and scholar. The program is a 6 months relevant training where you will be mentored to study the advanced shorthand methods, the phonetics, and the shortcuts on how to write everything by sound.